friends, welcome back to another episode of the Incredible Peppa Pig Collection. For today's story, we're going to be reading Pedro Cough. Let's see what this book's about. When Pedro is poorly, it is time to call the doctor. Dr. Brown Bear always makes everyone feel better. But what happens when he gets ill? Who will look after him? Let's find out. Pedro's Cough. Peppa and her friends are waiting for Madame Gazelle to start their music lesson. Miss Polly had a dolly, sings Madame Gazelle. What's that strange noise? Poor Pedro Pony has a nasty cough. Not to worry, says Madame Gazelle. I'll ring Dr. Brown Bear. Dr. Brown Bear looks after everyone when they are poorly. Dr. Brown Bear picks up his medical kit, jumps in his doctor's car and drives straight to Playgroup. I've got a cough, says Pedro, when Dr. Bear arrives. It's nothing serious, says Dr. Brown Bear. But it may be catching, so we'll give you some medicine. Ugh, cries Pedro. It tastes like an old shoe full of jam. Susie Sheep and Danny Dog start to cough too. As I thought, says Dr. Brown Bear. Pedro's cough is catching. He gives them both some cough medicine. Ugh! It tastes of carpet-flavored yogurt, says Susie. Yuck! It tastes like flowers, says Danny. Do you ever get ill, Dr. Brown Bear? Asked Peppa. I'm never ill because I eat an apple a day, says Dr. Brown Bear. Soon it is home time and the parents arrive to pick up the children. I've got a cough, says Pedro. Dr. Brown Bear came to look after us, says Danny. All the adults start coughing too. Peppa picks up the phone. Dr. Brown Bear? Now all the grown-ups are ill, she says. Now it is the grown-ups' turn to take the cough medicine. Ugh! It tastes like custard and old socks, cries Madame Gazelle. All the grown-ups must take the medicine to help them feel better. No one likes the medicine. Who looks after you when you're ill? Asked Peppa. No one looks after me, replies Dr. Brown Bear. Dr. Brown Bear has caught Pedro's cough too. Who will look after Dr. Brown Bear? Gasped Peppa. Poor Dr. Brown Bear is taken to the hospital. He has some visitors. Danny has bought some fruit. Susie has bought the medicine. Open wide, says Susie. Ugh, cries Dr. Brown Bear. It tastes like jammy yogurt-flavored carpet shoe with flowery custard old socks. Soon Dr. Brown Bear is feeling better. Everyone loves being looked after, even Dr. Brown Bear. Thank you for reading this book with me. Have you ever been sick? It's not very fun to be sick. I hope you enjoyed reading this book with me. Bye! See you next time!